The numbers don't lie. Buying a home today takes more than just a dream. It takes a strategy. Let's break down what it really takes to sign on that dotted line in this economy.
Savings are your fuel. Without this, your monthly costs will skyrocket. In 2026, interest rates have stabilized, but they aren't the rock-bottom rates of the past. With current rates, your monthly mortgage payment, including taxes and insurance, could easily hit $3,200. Can you
Stick to the 30% rule to ensure you aren't house poor, where all your money goes into your walls. That's the threshold. If you're earning below this, the math starts to get very tight. Trailer. Existing debt is the hidden killer. High student loans or car payments can slash your mortgage eligibility by half. Your credit score is your leverage. An 800-plus score like mine can save you tens of thousands in interest over the life of the loan. Buying the house is one thing. Maintaining it is a whole different ballgame. My career in fintech gave me the edge I needed to stay ahead of the inflation curve. Two incomes are better than one when you're facing a $500,000 mortgage. The value of money has changed. You have to earn more just to stay in the same place. Geography is your biggest leverage point. Moving 30 minutes out can change everything. Patience is a financial skill. I saved for 5 years to make this move. Affording it is one thing, staying afloat is another. You must account for potential economic downturns and job security. It's a tough market, but for the prepared, it's a land of opportunity. Your financial future starts with the decisions you make today. Be the one who can say yes. Do the math, check your score, and stay focused. You've got this. This is Marcus Thorne. Navigate the market with wisdom, and I'll see you in your new home. Goodbye for now. Ready for the next chapter? Are you?